So guys, I just got home and have a few packages that arrived. We'll open I'll show you guys the first thing I got because it's open already. It's basically the Formula brake light. So that's what it looks like. We'll be probably installing that soon on the Camry. Don't really know what the fuck this is, but that's why we're opening it up. Gotta check it out. What do we have here? Oh, it's heavy. Okay. I think this is the oil catch can. I think so. Let's see. Okay, no, that doesn't open like that. How do you open this box? Very strange. Oh shit, okay, hold on. Okay. Let's see this. Actual oil catch can. It actually looks pretty decent, like look at that. So I also think I know what this is, but I could be wrong. Okay, weird they made a scarecrow in here.
For that.
Alright. Powerade.
Such a big box.
Throttle body spacer. I don't see any nuts. Oh yeah, there is nuts in there. So this is gonna go on the Camry. Look at that. Look at the horsepower gains, even though that's not gonna happen for us, let's be honest. More like 2 horsepower max. But that's gonna go on the Camry as well. But after I get the intake manifold. So we're gonna hold on to this till probably later on. This is beautiful. Dull knife meets 4 wires.
Break the top, at least break the part that's blunt.
You're blunty.
Your face.
Okay, where's the instructions? Okay, that's where the brake light's gonna be positioned. Beautiful.
Extra cinematics.
Check this shit out. Check this shit out. You got the
Oh,
cables
hold on.
going.
Give the crane light.
Yeah, got the cables. We just gotta connect them now. Record right.
You know what's the funny part is? Now which wire are you gonna cut? I have an idea.
Okay.
If you wanna try it out.
Okay. I have an idea too. Involves drilling stuff. See this? Oh, what the fuck? Oh fuck, you moved. Oh fuck.
Yeah.
TJ, assistance.
How? Through the door?
Mount me.
Okay.
Actually? Oh, yes, this is how I always want to be. Oh my god.
I don't think this is gonna work out the way you
I
want.
need you to hold that thing still.
How? You gonna drill through my hands?
No, just hold it. Just straight.
It's done, dude. Fuck chill.
I'm just making sure it's on.
It is on.
Good part of the video.
Last thing I want is to hit a speed bump the size of someone, let's just say that, and then this thing falls off.
What are you doing?
Pulling it out.
What's that little wire thing stick on the bottom?
Break?
I can't.
Why not?
Oh, that one. Right? That hurt my eyes.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Fuck, I'm getting blinded. You're going
Yes.
over and over.
It works.
Now you can do it.
Ready yet?
Wait, I don't have 3 hands.
Is it on?
Check the brake.
No, wait. Oh my. No, wait.
I like that.
No, chill.
That hurt.
I'm not even touching the positive yet, you bitch.
It's not.
Well, TJ's not grounding.
No, I'm not even touching the positive.
What's the positive?
Can somebody give me the other wire? I don't know where it is. There's a spider hanging off this.
Please kill it or I'll have a heart attack.
Right there.
Is there an Ali's head?
Ali, kill it, please.
Is there an Ali's head?
Not a spider.
Fuck off.
Do you want me to do the electrical tape? You seem to never know how to do it.
All the cables are hidden with the light.
It's here.
No, it's mine.
Oh.
What do you think?
So that's the final look. Crane view.
Look at this. This is for Christmas shopping.
In celebration?
It started here.
TJ, where are we going?
Here.
Let's go to the bar. Fuck it.
No, no, we're just gonna get McDonald's.
Yeah, you guys can. I can't.
Why?
Because I've been eating healthy.
Ah.
Yeah,
TJ's a solid boy now.
I'm literally.
Oh, your boyfriend.
Shout out to Johnny for doing absolutely nothing. There he is. Look at him.
Sadly.
Unsalted fries, please. Hi there, what can I get for you?
Can I get large unsalted fries?
Large unsalted fries?
Yes, please.
Okay.
3 junior chickens.
Yeah.
Allie, do you want anything? And large fries as well.
Normal large fries?
Yes, please.
Alright.
And can I get a glass of water, please? With ice? Thank you.
It'll be 15, 17 at least first.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler.
Merry Chrysler. You missed your opportunity.
Hold on,
Now
let
you
me
gotta
look.
say it to her.
No, no,
You
no.
gotta say it to her face. Merry Christmas.
Here.
Thank you, Sasha.
Yeah, no worries.
Hey. Fucking love it. Good, thank you.
Merry Chrysler.
Hey,
Why didn't you do it?
should have rolled the window down and be like, Merry Christmas.
Why is it my face?